on Shabbat, Perek Yud Aleph, Mishnah Vav. Last Mishnah of the 11th chapter of Shabbat. The Mishnah is going to talk about the idea of what is your mindset when you're doing a malacha. And in order to be chayav a korban, you have to have the shgaga, you have to do it by accident, and it has to be accidental the entire way through. The Mishnah is going to say in the end, Einam chayavim ad shehi tchilatan v'sofan b'shgaga. The beginning of the action and the end must be done b'shgaga. So that means if you found out in the middle what you were doing before the action is completed, you're not chayav. We'll explain. It's not a long Mishnah. Hazarbeik, let's say I'm in Rishut Rabim and I throw a spoon and I throw it arba amot. Okay, v'nizkar la'achar she'asa biyado. Before it went 4 amot, I remembered, wait, it's Shabbat, it's asur for me to do this. Okay, I had done it by accident. I thought I was allowed to throw something in Rishut Rabim, or I thought that it wasn't Shabbat, and I threw it and I was like, oh, it's Shabbat. Or I threw something and kalta acher, somebody else caught it. Okay, or klata keleb, a dog caught it. Now there's a big machloket about whether the person caught it and moved it or not, whatever. We're not going to get into that into great detail. Okay? Oh, shenisrafa. I throw the spoon, and before I can travel 4 amot, lightning comes, zaps it, and destroys it, blows it up. In this case, the Mishnah says, patur. Why am I patur? Because the action wasn't completed before, it wasn't completed b'shogeg. So in the first case, zorek b'nizkar la'achar she'asa miyado, I started b'shogeg, but it landed b'mezid, it was already mezid. Somebody else caught it, I didn't do the entire action. A dog caught it, the same thing. Oh, shenisrafa, again, I didn't do the entire action. It blew up before I could land. Zarak la'asot chabura. Chabura, injuring someone, we're going to learn in the 14th chapter, injuring someone is an aspect of chavala, of like injuring, chabura, right? That's chavala, that's what it's called. And it's a tolada of shchita, because we're causing the blood to move if we cause an injury, and the shchita is a malacha. So if I throw a rock at somebody, okay, in order to cause injury, bein ba'adam, bein behema, that's a malacha. So it's a malacha. So, but I thought, I'm shooting my arrow. I shoot my arrow and I forgot that it's Shabbat. V'nizkar, and after I shoot, I'm like, oh, it's Shabbat. V'nizkar ad shelo na'asta chabura. I remember before I caused the wound, patur. Again, why? Ze'aklal. This is the rule the Mishnah says. Kol chayavei chataot. In order to be chayav a korban chatat, einam chayavim ad shetahit tchilatan v'sofan b'shgaga. You are not obligated to bring the korban until the beginning and the end of the action is done b'shogeg. You forgot what day it was, or you forgot that it's asur. But if before the end of the action, before the arrow strikes the poor deer and Bambi keels over, I remember, oh, it's Shabbat and it's asur, then the action retroactively, the end of the action is called mezid. Therefore, tchilatan shgaga v'sofo zadon, if I thought began as a shgaga and the end was zadon, mezid, intentional, or tchilatan zadon, I started intentionally, I remember Shabbat, I don't care, I'm going to shoot it anyway, but then I forgot, like, why did I shoot that thing? So fan shgaga, in all of those cases, I'm patur from a korban, ad shetehe, again, tchilatan v'sofan b'shgaga, until I do until the beginning and the end of the action, all of them are b'shogeg. We'll dedicate our learning to the memory of my father, Rav Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman, and you can email me here. Have a great day.